Hello and welcome to Real Vibes TV, your go-to place for enriching your life inside and out. If you're seeking to enhance your health and wellness, you've come to the right spot. Here at Real Vibes TV, we explore everything from nutritious eating and living longer to nurturing your mind, body, and soul. We also dive deep into spiritual guidance to help you find inner peace and balance. Join our growing community of wellness enthusiasts who are already transforming their lives with our tips and guides. Whether you're looking to revamp your diet, boost your physical fitness, or seek spiritual clarity, we have something special just for you. And the best part? It's all just a click away. Subscribe to Real Vibes TV by clicking the red button below this video. Make sure you also turn on all notifications by tapping the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload new, insightful content. Remember, taking care of your health is the first step to a happier and more fulfilling life. We are here to support you on this journey, bringing you fresh and engaging content every week. Thank you for watching. Embrace the journey, elevate your life, and keep vibing with us here on Real Vibes TV. See you in the next video.